Hello, I'm Teacher Crystal, and this is 1, 2, 3 English with me, where you can learn English through dictation. All you need is a notebook and a pencil because this class is for you. Listen to the sentences I read, you write what you hear the best you can, and we'll fix it later. Are you ready? Let's go! Hello class, welcome to lesson 10. Today, we are going to do something a little bit different. We will do dictation, but it's between you and me. And we are going to make a cookie recipe. So first, let's begin with the date. So number 1, write, today is Sunday, January 10th, 2021. Today is Sunday, January 10th, 2021. Today is Sunday, January 10th, 2021. Number 2 begins with you. So write, let's make cookies. Let's make cookies. Let's make cookies. Number 3 is me. I ask you, how much flour do we need? How much flour do we need? How much flour do we need? Now you look at the recipe. So for number 4, write cups of flour. Cups of flour. Cups of flour. Do you remember? Number 5. How many eggs do we need? How many eggs do we need? How many eggs do we need? Look at the recipe. Number 6, eggs. 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 Number 7, do we need vanilla and butter? Do we need vanilla and butter? Do we need vanilla and butter? For number 8, look at the recipe. How much vanilla and butter do you need? Look. Okay, for number 8, write yes. Teaspoon of vanilla and cup of butter. Yes. Teaspoon of vanilla and cup of butter. Yes. Teaspoon of vanilla and cup of butter. Number 9. Okay, we have what we need. Okay, we have what we need. Okay, we have what we need. Number 10. I'll turn on the oven to 375 degrees. I'll turn on the oven to 375 degrees. I'll turn on the oven to 375 degrees. Okay, that's all 10 of them. Did you fill in the blanks? Did you write down what you saw in the recipe? Look at the recipe one more time. Now let's begin with number 1, the date. Today is Sunday, January 10th, 2021. Remember, Sunday has a capital S, January has a capital J, 10th is an ordinal number, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and 2021, it ends with a period. For number 2, you said, let's make cookies. Let's is a contraction for let us. Let's make cookies. Number 3, how much flour do we need? It is a question. We use how much flour. If you can't count it, then you use much. How much flour do we need? Question mark. What did you write for number 4? Did you fill in the blank? How many cups of flour did you see in the recipe? Did you write 2 1/4 cups of flour? 2 1/4 cups of flour. Cups has an S because it is more than 1 cup. Number 5, how many eggs do we need? How many? We use many because we can count the number of eggs. How many eggs do we need? How many eggs did you write down? For number 6, you should have written down 2. 2 eggs. So number 6, 2 eggs. Number 7, do we need vanilla and butter? Do we need vanilla and butter? This is a question mark. So for number 8, we answered with yes, a comma after the yes, and the answer, did you write down 1 teaspoon and 1 cup of butter? 1 teaspoon of vanilla, no S because there is only 1 teaspoon, and 1 cup of butter. Number 9. Okay, we have what we need. Comma after okay. Okay is at the beginning of our sentence, and it ends with a period. Okay, we have what we need. Number 10. I'll turn on the oven to 375 degrees. If we make the circle beside it, it means degrees. 375 degrees is the same as 375 degrees. So when we make cookies, we bake. Baking is what you do in an oven. Cookies are made in an oven. So it is baking. How did you do? Did you fill in the blanks on the recipe? Are you going to make cookies? Write below in the comments if you are going to make these chocolate chip cookies. Take a picture. Let me see them. Alright, remember to hit subscribe so you can see the next videos, and I will see you again tomorrow.